Alright, so in this quick tech tip, I'm going to be replacing the regular old spinning disk drive on this HP laptop with a 240 gig SSD. And for that, you'll need something soft like a foam pad or a rubber working area so that you can flip the laptop without scratching it, a Phillips head screwdriver, and the actual SSD. So let's get started. Right now, what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the working area here. We're going to move over the pad and flip this upside down and find out where the drive goes. In this case, this is a business laptop, so it's really easy to work it with. The hard drive is underneath this cover. Here's the memory. There's some other things that are accessible here. And what we need to do is get these screws off here so that we can see the hard drive. And given that this is a business laptop, it was meant to be worked on in the field, and the screws don't even fall off from the cover, so you can just lift it off, and then you're presented with one more screw. This one comes off right here, and then this entire thing has a little tab here, so you can see that, and you just pull this back so the drive shifts that way, and you can lift it up. And now I need to insert that drive into this, and to do that you need to remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let me do that and we'll continue. Alright, now that I removed those 4 screws from the drive, you can see here that I can easily lift it off the tray. And this is the old drive. Now we can take the new SSD out of the packaging here. There you go. And this guy goes in like that. So you can see here the holes align. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to put those screws back on this one. And there you have it. The SATA drive is in there, and the screws are in here. So now all we have to do is reverse the process. So we lay that flat like that, and this will slide over. So you can see here, make sure gently wiggle into place. There you go. It'll slide in, and we tighten this screw and put the cover back in. And we're done. The laptop is ready. Old drive out, and the new SSD is in. Alright, so if you like these kind of tips, let me know. Hopefully they're helpful to you. Again, these old business laptops from HP and also from Dell are great because they're so easy to work with. The new stuff, you're gonna have to take a lot more off. Well, till next time, bye bye.